In 1986, Vietnam was one of the poorest countries in the world. The war had ended, but the suffering had not. Food was rationed. Factories were empty. Inflation exploded to over 700%. Many believed Vietnam would remain trapped in poverty for generations. But then something remarkable happened. Without global headlines, without dramatic speeches, Vietnam launched an economic strategy that would transform the nation. Today, Vietnam is one of the fastest-growing economies in Asia. So the question is, how did a war-torn nation become an economic powerhouse? And why did the world barely notice? Vietnam has undergone a remarkable transformation over the past few decades. Once counted among the poorest nations in the world, it now stands as one of Asia's fastest-growing economies. This dramatic shift has captured the attention of economists and observers worldwide. What factors fueled this quiet revolution, and how did Vietnam achieve such rapid progress? In this section, we explore the story behind the country's extraordinary rise. In the mid-1980s, Vietnam grappled with a severe economic crisis. The aftermath of decades of war had left the country's infrastructure in ruins and its economy stagnant. Shortages of basic goods, high inflation, and widespread poverty created immense hardship for the population. These challenges underscored an urgent need for reform, as traditional economic policies were no longer sustainable. The crisis set the stage for significant changes that would soon reshape Vietnam's future. Nguyen Van Linh emerged as a pivotal figure in Vietnam's modern history, recognized for his pragmatic leadership during a time of significant transformation. As the architect of the Đổi Mới reforms, he championed a shift away from rigid central planning towards a more flexible, market-oriented economy. Linh believed that practical solutions, rather than strict ideology, were essential for national progress. His vision centered on encouraging innovation, attracting investment, and improving living standards through gradual but decisive economic renovation. Under his guidance, Vietnam began its journey toward integration with the global economy, setting the stage for sustained growth and development. In 1986, Vietnam embarked on a transformative journey by implementing a series of groundbreaking economic reforms. These pivotal decisions shifted the country away from a centrally planned system, opening the door to private enterprise and encouraging foreign investment. By embracing market-oriented policies, Vietnam created an environment that fostered innovation and competition. These changes laid the foundation for the nation's rapid economic growth in the decades that followed, reshaping its position on the global stage. Vietnam's reforms have led to remarkable changes across the country. The economy has experienced rapid growth, lifting millions out of poverty and significantly improving living standards. Vietnam has also emerged as a prominent global exporter, with industries such as textiles, electronics, and agriculture driving its international trade. Major cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City have been transformed, showcasing modern infrastructure and vibrant urban development. These outcomes highlight the profound impact of Vietnam's reform policies on its society and economy. Vietnam's remarkable transformation offers valuable leadership lessons for nations and organizations alike. Central to its success was a commitment to strategic planning, where leaders prioritized long-term economic goals over short-term gains. Pragmatism played a key role, as policies were adapted to changing circumstances and grounded in practical realities. This approach fostered resilience and sustained growth, demonstrating the importance of flexibility and foresight in leadership. Ultimately, Vietnam's journey underscores how thoughtful, forward-looking decisions can drive lasting progress. Vietnam's remarkable progress stands as a testament to the power of steady, disciplined leadership. Rather than relying on dramatic shifts, the country has embraced quiet, strategic changes that have steadily propelled its growth. This approach underscores a broader lesson. Sustainable national success is often achieved through careful planning and consistent effort. As Vietnam continues to evolve, its story offers valuable insights for nations seeking long-term advancement in an ever-changing world. What are your thoughts? And make sure you join us to learn more about the great nation that has risen so well and so quietly.